What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show y'all how to use Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Calendar. So what you need to do first is go to Google's homepage and make sure you're signed into your Google account. And to get to Google Drive, click here, and then come down and click on Google Drive. And Google Drive is basically just about everything that you have in Google or have ever worked on in Google, or anything you can work on. These are all some of the files that you might have worked on. You can see what's shared with you, your recent documents, photos, trash, all kinds of stuff. You can use up to 15 gigabytes. And then if you click up here on new, you can add a new folder, and we'll call this one just Niche 205. And this is good for classes because then you can drag anything into here if you wanted to, or open it up and take it out. And that's good for classes because, you know, if everybody has a Google account, then you can just do that and one person can make it, and then everybody can edit whatever they want to and throw it in that folder, and the whole group can see it. Also, you can click over here and you can add links that other people will be able to see. You can invite people by typing in their name or their email address to invite them to come see everything. You can remove stuff. You can move stuff around, change the color, kind of customize how you want your drive to be. So I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty good for classes and everything else. Just remove that because I don't really need it. Classes, if you have group work, this is a really good website or Google thing to use. All right. So now we'll go to the Google Docs, and I'll show you how to use those. So again, we'll come back to Google, and then come up here and click on the app. And sorry, my internet's kind of slow. Down here, and you it feels like loading today. Okay, I guess not. Maybe not. Oh, there it was. My bad. All right, now that's coming up slowly. The Google Docs, you can do pretty much any kind of document you can think of. You can go blank, meeting notes, resume, meeting notes, again, project, letter, and then everything down here is stuff that is documents that you have worked on that you can continue editing. So let's go to blank. Y'all that have to like create a document, which I mean everybody knows, I would think. It's basically just like a Word, but the cool thing that's about this, just say if I made this for a group and highlighted that, you can click over here, add a comment, and then you can just click comment and it'll put it over here, and then when whoever clicks on this will see that this comment goes with this, and then vice versa. Same thing right here. So whatever, like if somebody's confused or whatever, if you're working in a group and you're using the Google document, you can highlight stuff and then add comments over here on the side so that they can see what's going on, or if anybody has a comment or anything to do with the assignment. And then you just come over here and share it. You give it a name, and then you you share it, and it'll come up wherever you need it to be. So let's go on to the Google Calendar. So again, come back to Google and click on the apps, and then the calendar is going to be right here next to the drive. So as you can see, I don't have much. I have my Knies 215, but you can. Cool thing about a calendar is you can actually. My Knies 215 is in here, and it shows me everything that I have due this week, and this is the whole month. That's today, 4 days, and then the agenda. So let's stay on the month, and let's see. To add a calendar, come over here to other calendars and click the little drop down thing, and you'll add URL. But first, we need the URL of the calendar that we want. So we're going to do the 205 calendar, and all you do is come back to your Moodle or whatever website you need. And for Knies 205, we'll go to 205 homepage, which is right here, and then come over here and click on the calendar for March. And then that's everything for 205. And then you scroll down and you click export calendar. And then you can do all events related to this course or whatever for this week, this month. But we're going to go recent and next 60 days just because that's the easiest and the widest range. And go to that get calendar URL, and then it'll pop up here. And then all you do is highlight the URL, copy it, and then come back to Google Calendar. Hit that, add by URL, and then paste the URL in there, and then click add calendar. Okay. Oh, it failed to do it, but that's how you do it. I mean, it shouldn't fail. I don't know why it's doing that, but anyway, again, let's see if it'll work. Come over here and copy your URL. Go to other, add by URL, paste it in there, add calendar, and there it is. So once you get it in, you can change the color of it so that you can tell. I mean, all these are green, so I'll change this one to blue, and then I don't really know what this one is, but we'll make that one yellow. So there it is. And then you can do all kinds of different things. If I need to add something into here Thursday, I can add it and change the time. That's pretty much it. I done went through the days, a week, month thing. So yeah, that is how you use Google Docs, Google Calendar, and Google Drive.